In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional looking website using Wix.com, an intuitive platform that simplifies the process for everyone, even beginners. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open your browser and navigate to www.wix.com. Once you're there, you'll see either a Get Started or Sign Up button prominently displayed. Click on this to begin your Wix journey. Next, you'll set up your account. You have two options for this step. You can either enter your email address and create a password or use your existing Google or Facebook account to sign in. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard and look for the Create New Site button. Click on that to start building your website. Now that you have a blank canvas, it's time to let your creativity shine. You'll find the option to Design Site where you can choose Edit to start customizing your site. This is where you have full control over the appearance of your website. You'll then be prompted to pick a template. Wix offers a wide range of professional templates for various purposes such as business, portfolios, online stores, and blogs. Browse through the template library to find one that aligns with your vision. Take your time to preview different templates to see how they look and feel. When you're happy with your choice, select Edit to start making it your own. Within the Wix editor, you have the power to modify every detail. Click on text boxes to edit headings and paragraphs and experiment with different fonts to find the perfect look. You can also add images by clicking Add and then Image. Here, you can upload your own photos or choose from Wix's vast collection of free stock images to enrich your site. Additionally, you can adjust the theme colors to complement your brand's palette and incorporate specific sections like About, Services, Testimonials, or Contact to give your site a comprehensive feel. Wix also offers a variety of features through its app market. You can include versatile tools like booking systems, chat widgets, or social media integrations to enhance your site's functionality. Don't forget to optimize your site for mobile devices. Click the mobile icon at the top to switch views and make necessary adjustments so that your content looks great on smaller screens. As you progress, click on Site and then Settings to further define your site's identity. Set a site name and title under Site Name and spend some time on SEO where you can add relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and page titles through the SEO Google settings. Preview your site to see how everything looks. When you're satisfied, it's time to share your creation with the world. Click Publish and then confirm by selecting Publish Now. Congratulations, your website is live. Now click Done, and that's it. You've just built a website with Wix from scratch. Keep exploring new features and enhancements to make your site even better. Thanks for watching and happy building.